How to fix Instagram camera glitch. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have with Instagram camera. So it's very easy to solve actually. So all what you have to do is just open the settings page on your phone like this, and then go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode and go back like this. Go to the apps, click on Instagram, click on force stop and go to storage, click on clear data, go back again and go to the airplane mode and disable it. Now restart your phone and reopen Instagram and the problem is gonna be fixed easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.